How to add Fiverr payment method. Let's get started. Launch your Fiverr account, or also you can log into your Fiverr account in the web version. I'm going to use the web version. Head over to the website of Fiverr, type in Fiverr login, navigate to the website fiverr.com. Now go ahead and provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land to the home page. Now at the top left, you're going to find three bars. Click on that. Different options will appear. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Billing and Payments. Once you're in this page, here you're going to find different tabs: Billing History, Billing Info, Balances, and Payment Method. Now from here, you can easily add payment method to your Fiverr account. Click on Add a Payment Method. Now select it, then go ahead and provide your details and go to the process to add the payment method. Once you complete the process, your account will be updated with new payment method. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily add Fiverr payment method. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.